In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can mention all your friends in a Facebook post. You can simply mention all your followers at once on Facebook in just few simple steps. To do this, open up your Facebook. Right here on my home page, tap on the plus icon on your upper right corner of the screen just right here. Select the first option of post. You can choose to share anything you wish to. Then in the caption space, type in anything. To go on and mention all your Facebook followers or friends, type in @ and select this option of followers. All your followers or friends on Facebook will receive a notification that you have mentioned them in that particular post if uploaded. So guys, that's how easy it is to mention all your Facebook followers at once. If you have any questions regarding to this video, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.